Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the top products that are making waves and setting trends. Today, we've got something special lined up for you. A countdown of the best-selling printer parts and accessories on Amazon. These aren't just ordinary products, they're the ones that have captured the attention, trust, and dollars of countless customers. Whether you're in the market for reliable printing solutions or just curious about what's hot right now, you're in the right place. We're diving deep into the products that are not only essential, but have also proven to be the best of the best. So without further ado, let's jump right into our countdown and discover what makes these products stand out from the rest. Imagine holding a piece of innovation, precision engineered to deliver perfection. Number 5 on our list isn't just any ink cartridge. It's the HP 910XL Black High-yield Ink Cartridge, a powerhouse of performance designed for those who demand excellence. When it comes to reliability, consistency, and unparalleled value, this ink cartridge stands in a league of its own. Crafted by the trusted brand that has become synonymous with quality, HP, this cartridge promises to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. It's not just about putting ink on paper. It's about creating lasting impressions with every print. Compatible with a wide range of HP OfficeJet models, including the 8010 and 8020 series, as well as the OfficeJet Pro 8020 and 8030 series, this cartridge is versatile, ensuring it meets your printing needs no matter the task. But it's not just about versatility, it's about volume. With an approximate yield of 825 pages, the HP 910XL offers up to twice the number of prints compared to non-original alternatives. Imagine the productivity, the seamless workflow, the uninterrupted creativity. Let's talk sustainability, because HP hasn't just thought about the present, but also the future. Did you know that 82% of HP ink cartridges are made from recycled plastic? That's right. With HP, you're not just investing in top-tier technology, but also in a cleaner, greener planet. Engineered to perform in temperatures ranging from a comfortable 59 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, this ink cartridge is as adaptable as it is dependable. It's more than just ink. It's the heartbeat of your printer, the unsung hero behind every printed word, every vibrant image. And let's not forget the cherry on top, eligible for instant ink, so you'll never find yourself caught off guard with an empty cartridge. You're always ready, always ahead, always delivering the best. The HP 910XL Black High-yield Ink Cartridge. Because in a world where every detail matters, you deserve nothing less than perfection. In the world of printing, where precision meets performance, coming in at number 4 on our countdown is a product that embodies trust, efficiency, and sustainability. The HP 63 Black Ink Cartridge. This isn't just ink. It's the lifeblood of your printer, meticulously crafted by HP, America's most trusted brand in printing technology. Designed to work seamlessly with a wide array of HP printers, from the DeskJet 1112 to the OfficeJet 5264. This cartridge is the epitome of versatility. Whether you're printing important documents on your DeskJet or vivid images on your ENVY, the HP 63 Black Ink Cartridge ensures that every print is crisp, clear, and consistent. It's engineered to deliver not just pages, but perfection, with an approximate yield of 170 pages that make every drop of ink count. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. With original HP ink, you get up to twice as many prints compared to non-original alternatives. That's double the value, double the reliability, and double the peace of mind, knowing that your prints will always meet the highest standards. HP's commitment to sustainability shines through as well. 82% of their ink cartridges are made from recycled plastic. So, while you're getting top-notch performance, you're also contributing to a more sustainable future. Every print becomes a step towards a greener planet. And let's talk convenience. With HP Instant Ink, you're never caught off guard. Save up to 50% on ink costs and ensure that you never run out, thanks to this smart subscription service. It's ink on your terms, reliable, affordable, and always ready when you are. In every box, you're not just getting an ink cartridge. You're investing in a product that stands for quality, sustainability, and convenience. The HP 63 Black Ink Cartridge, a small but mighty force in the world of printing, delivering excellence with every page. As we reach the number 3 spot in our countdown, let's talk about a product that's a true game changer in the world of printing. The HP 67 Black Ink Cartridge. This isn't just any ink. It's a masterclass in consistency, quality, and innovation, brought to you by HP, a name synonymous with trust and excellence in the printing industry. Imagine a cartridge that fits seamlessly with an array of HP DeskJet and ENVY printers, including the 1255 and 2700 series, as well as the sleek ENVY 6000 and 6400 series. This ink cartridge is more than a perfect match. It's the secret ingredient to bringing your documents to life, ensuring every print is sharp, every detail is precise, and every page exudes professionalism. Now, let's talk about yield. 120 pages of rich, deep black ink, designed to make your prints stand out. Whether you're printing a single page or a full report, the HP 67 is engineered to deliver consistent results every time. It's not just about the numbers, it's about reliability, knowing that with every print, you're getting the very best. What sets this cartridge apart? It's the promise of up to 2 times more prints with original HP ink compared to non-original alternatives. That's twice the performance, twice the value, and twice the peace of mind. And with an operating humidity range of 8 to 85% RH, it's built to perform in various conditions, ensuring your prints are always flawless. But there's more, because convenience is key. With HP Instant Ink, you're never caught off guard. This smart subscription service ensures you're always stocked up, never running out, and always printing without a hitch. In every drop of ink, in every print, you're experiencing the pinnacle of HP's innovation. The HP 67 Black Ink Cartridge isn't just a tool, it's the heartbeat of your printer, a testament to quality and a guarantee of excellence with every page you produce. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling printer parts and accessories on Amazon? Well, don't be a paper jam. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest top picks. As we approach the pinnacle of our countdown, securing the number 2 spot is a product that redefines what it means to print with precision and reliability. The HP 67 XL Black High-yield Ink Cartridge. This isn't just a cartridge. It's a commitment to excellence, brought to you by HP, the gold standard in printing technology. Imagine the difference between ordinary and extraordinary. The HP 67 XL isn't just about printing. It's about producing prints that stand out with clarity, depth, and professionalism. Whether you're using it with your HP DeskJet 1255, the versatile 2700 series, or the sleek ENVY 6000 series, this cartridge is engineered to work flawlessly across a range of devices, ensuring that every print is a masterpiece. Now, let's talk numbers, but not just any numbers. 240 pages of rich, high-quality ink that make every word, every image, come alive. That's more than just capacity. It's about performance that lasts, delivering up to twice the number of prints compared to non-original alternatives. Imagine the freedom, the efficiency, the sheer value of getting more done with fewer interruptions. And it's not just about quantity, it's the quality that truly sets the HP 67 XL apart. Each print is a testament to HP's dedication to consistent, reliable results. Whether you're printing important documents, cherished photos, or everyday tasks, this ink cartridge ensures you never have to compromise on excellence. But there's another layer to this story: convenience. With HP's Instant Ink program, you can rest easy knowing you'll never run out of ink. It's a smart, seamless solution that keeps your printing needs met, so you can focus on what really matters: creating, producing, and achieving your goals. The HP 67 XL Black High-yield Ink Cartridge. It's not just an accessory, it's an essential. It's the tool that empowers you to print with confidence, knowing that every page reflects the best of what HP has to offer. And here we are, the moment you've been waiting for. The #1 best-selling printer part and accessory on Amazon. A product that has earned its place at the top by redefining reliability, quality, and value. Introducing the HP 67 Black and Tricolor Ink Cartridges, an unbeatable duo designed to elevate your printing experience to new heights. This isn't just ink. It's a fusion of precision engineering and trusted performance, brought to you by HP, the name that's become synonymous with excellence in printing. Whether you're working with the HP DeskJet 1255, the dynamic 2700 series, or the sleek ENVY 6000 and 6400 series, these cartridges are your perfect partners, delivering consistent, high-quality prints every single time. Imagine the versatility: 120 pages of deep, rich black ink paired with 100 pages of vibrant tricolor brilliance. It's not just about putting ink on paper. It's about creating documents and images that resonate, that captivate, that leave a lasting impression. Every page you print is a testament to HP's unwavering commitment to quality. But it's more than just output. It's about optimizing your experience. With original HP ink, you're getting up to 2 times more prints than with non-original alternatives. That's more productivity, more creativity, and more value from every cartridge, ensuring you're always ready to print without hesitation. And let's talk about convenience, because HP understands the importance of keeping your workflow uninterrupted. That's why these cartridges are eligible for Instant Ink, a service that ensures you never run out. You're always prepared, always stocked, and always at the top of your game. The HP 67 black and tricolor ink cartridges aren't just accessories. They're essential tools for anyone who values quality and performance. They represent the pinnacle of what HP stands for: trust, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to delivering the best. Number 1 for a reason, because when you demand the best, only HP delivers. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling printer parts and accessories on Amazon. To keep up with the latest top products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And be sure to check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.